today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Google Slides, guiding you step by step. Whether you want to upload a personal photograph, a graphic from your computer, or an image from the web, this tutorial will make it easy. First, let's make sure you're on the right track. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to Google Slides by typing slides.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Slides interface. If you're not signed in yet, enter your Google account credentials to gain access. Signing in is important as it ensures your work is automatically saved and accessible from any device. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your existing presentations. You can start fresh with a blank presentation or choose from an array of pre-designed templates. For this tutorial, select whichever works best for you. Simply click on Blank Presentation or pick a template that suits your style. Now that your presentation canvas is ready, it's time to insert an image. Look at the menu bar at the top of your screen and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Image, and another menu will appear with several options for sourcing your image. For this demonstration, we'll focus on uploading an image from your computer. Select Upload from Computer, and a dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse your files. Navigate to the location where your image is saved. Select it and click Open. Your chosen an image will now appear on your slide. At this stage, you can adjust your image to fit your slide perfectly. Click and drag the image to move it to the desired position. To resize, click on one of the corners and drag inward or outward while holding Shift to maintain proportions. You can also rotate the image slightly by dragging the small circular handle above it. If you want to add more images, simply repeat the same steps. Remember, images can help make your presentation more visually engaging and can emphasize your points effectively. Using multiple images strategically can turn a plain presentation into a memorable and professional one. And there you have it. Now you know how to add images from your computer to a Google Slides presentation. This simple skill can significantly enhance your slides and help communicate your ideas more clearly. Thanks.